The kneeling underhand grip pulldown with easy bar is a great exercise for targeting the lower lats in the back and biceps. Although I prefer the seated pulldown variation, this is an alternative if you don't have access to a lat pulldown machine. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach an easy bar to the high pulley of a cable machine. Kneel down in front of the cable machine with your knees hip width apart. Grip the easy bar with an underhand palms facing up grip with your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your chest up with your core engaged to maintain stability. Your arms should be fully extended above you with a slight bend in the elbows. Begin the movement by pulling the easy bar down towards your upper chest, focusing on engaging your lower lats and biceps. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you pull the bar down. Keep your elbows close to your body throughout the movement. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position, maintaining control of the weight. Ensure that you keep tension on your lats and biceps throughout the movement. Inhale as you pull the bar down and exhale as you extend your arms back to the starting position. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.